Hey guys, Matty here from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts. We're just out here at Robina carrying out some pipe relining today, which is one of my favourite parts of plumbing. I'll just show you what we got going on. So we've already put the camera down the stormwater line and we've located the break in the pipe a metre deep under the concrete. Just due to the access and not wanting to cut the concrete, we've opted to pipe reline, and we'll run you through stage 2. Alrighty, so I'll just walk you through some of the equipment that we use to get this drain relined. So first, we've come through with the drain cleaner just to make sure there's no other debris in the line. Over here we've got our bladder that will inflate and use this new resin sheet to complete the repair. So here's all our equipment, ready to get started. All right guys, we are set up in the drain with the pipe reline equipment. I'll just show you exactly what it looks like. So as you can see, the packer has now blown up over the damaged section of drain. We're going to let that sit now for about an hour and a half, and then that'll be completely set and repaired. All right, so as you can see on the camera, we're just putting it back down the line to ensure that our pipe reline has been all successful, and as you can see, it's completely repaired on the damaged pipe. That's a great reline. Hey guys, so the final stage of the pipe reline has been complete, and that is testing. So as you can see, we put the camera back up the line and we run a flow test. We got water flowing beautiful. I'll show you the camera. That's our pipe reline, and water's just traveling perfectly as it should. Great job.